Today we are tasting Faxe Kondi Hydration. Lovely. I think it's a rip-off of the, what are they called? Prime. I have tasted those before, or some of them. And this one, just wanted to have something in my hands down there with you. Beautiful little thing. Love you. So, 3 lovely pros hydrations. Call them whatever you want. The original, this green looking thing, lovely. And we have a peach, lovely, lovely. We like peach. And the hydration ice, beautiful. I don't even want to say what it looks like, but maybe it tastes fantastic. Lovely. We have to taste them. Let's start with the original. Beautiful. And I'm thirsty, so perfect. Oi. I'm used to the bottle caps where yeah, you know, the EU thing. Beautiful. Smell test. It smells sugary, but the fruit sugar, fructose syrup, my beautiful English as always. It smells sweet. That is what I'm trying to say. And a bit sporty. Ooh. Cheers. What a weird taste. It have a hint of the soda called Faxe Kondi, but the aftertaste a little dry. No. A hint of the Faxe Kondi sport soda, or whatever you call them. And something weird, dry, nasty. No. You can be there. So, are we going to taste the peach or the ice? Well, I think the ice is the most interesting, so let's start with the peach. Lovely. Beautiful. Smell test. Oh, peachy. Very peachy indeed. Lovely. Cheers. Oh, it tastes like peach. No wonder it's peach. Oh, but it have a very hard-hitting peach. Not as dry as the first one, so this one I could actually drink. Lovely. Oh, very peach forward. Lovely. This one I like, so therefore the perfect one until now. But let's see the ice. Oh, ice hydration with the weird color. Lovely. Let's smell you, little boy. Oh. It smells like garbage. That's weird. Like green garbage from the kitchen. You know, kitchen waste. Weird, but cheers. Oh. It doesn't have a lot of taste, but the taste there is a hint of lemony, I think. But the lemon zest, not the lemon juice. No. Yeah, a hint of lemon juice. Or lemon peel, not juice. I don't like that. It's not a lemon soda. A hint of lemon, watery, and the weird dryness again. No. But one thing I know for sure, the peach one. I love it. peach forward. So with that said, if you need some Faxe Kondi Hydration or Pro Hydration, call them whatever you wish, take the peach one if you like them. And if you don't, find something else. With that said, cheers once more. Thank you for watching. Take care, be your very best, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.